Hi teachers and staff members, this is Richard Rogers. As I'm a middle high school educational technologist, I want to show you a quick way of installing software. The benefits for installing your own software are pretty significant. For veteran teachers and staff members who are returning to DoDEA, you may remember that in the past, a lot of us, when we need software installed, have historically filed or submitted a service ticket to the service technician. At our school, that would be Mr. Filer. However, the amount of time it takes to submit a service ticket and the time it takes to get it filled can be usually significant, which doesn't really help you if you need the software now. So the good news is, in most cases, you can install your own software and satisfy almost 99% of all your needs. Your first step is to log on to a school computer, and as a teacher or a staff member, go to the taskbar and select the Windows icon and scroll down the program directory to the letter M. And here you're going to find the Microsoft System Center. This is a folder which has something in it. Folders usually keep more than one thing in it. In this case, there is only one thing in it, and it's called the Software Center. This is the application that allows you to install all of your software. So launch that, and after you launch it by clicking on it, the Software Center opens up. Now, you have a series of buttons here. The ones that you're going to probably use more than anything else will be Applications and Installation Status. The Applications selection in the menu gives you a listing of all applications you can install yourself. Some of these may already be installed. And if you want to find out if you have something installed, select it. Here's Adobe Acrobat, and then it'll tell you that it has a status here. It says installed. It gives you the version. It tells you a little bit more information, the size of the installation, when it was installed or modified, and it gives you an option to uninstall. So this one's already on it. It's already installed on my computer. I can refresh the applications page by clicking on the applications button again, and I can scroll down through here and I can look for other things that I may want to install. I'm looking through here. Most of these I've already got installed, but if I wanted to install Autodesk, AutoCAD, Civil 3D, which would be used by the engineering teacher, engineering and design, I would select this one, and now I have the option of installing. I'm not going to install this program because as an ET I don't need it. However, again, the engineering teacher might want it, so he would select install. As soon as he selects install, a process of downloading the software across the network begins. Once the download of the installation setup program is finished, the actual install will begin. It could be quick. It might take half an hour. It could take an hour depending on the size of the program. And in this case, this program looks to be about 11 gigabytes in size. So this is a significant install. Okay, I'm going to go back to the applications page again. So the last thing I want to mention before I close this video is that when you're on the applications page, look at the way your applications are sorted. If you open this page up and it's sorted by most recent, you may have trouble finding your application. So if I was looking for an Adobe product, let's say Photoshop. Photoshop is part of the Adobe Creative Cloud Suite. I may not see it because this is not sorted alphabetically. So what I would want to do is go into my sort filters and resort from A to Z. Well, that's about it. If you have any problems with installing your own software from the Software Center, let me know and I'll come by and we'll figure out a time when we can meet. I'll show you how to do it and we'll get your software installed. Until then, I hope you have a really good day and I hope you have a great school year too. Bye.